In this video, we're going to be evaluating an algebraic expression. To begin with, let me write out an algebraic expression that we are going to be working with as the example. So the algebraic expression reads as follows: x squared minus 2x plus 1. First of all, let's identify that it has three terms. This is coefficient of 1, coefficient of -2, plus 1. Okay. To evaluate an algebraic expression, we will replace each variable. In other words, any variable that is in this algebraic expression will be replaced by a given number value. When we replace a variable with a number, then we can say that we are substituting for the variable. Then we do the necessary calculations from the rules for the order of operations. For example, to evaluate this expression when x equals 3. Well, we begin by substituting first of all, so let me write it out here, and let me put the variables that we are going to be replacing by x, and so we have that one there, squared minus 2 plus 1. So those will be replaced by 3, so we end up with 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 1, and so we substitute 3 for x. Then we evaluate. This gives us 9 minus 6 plus 1, and then we perform multiplication as necessary. As you can see, we did multiplication here. Working from left to right, we perform subtraction and then addition. So that gives us 3 plus 1, which then gives us 4. And so we say that 4 is the value of the expression of this expression when x equals 3. So 4 is the value of this expression when x is equals to 3. Let's look at some examples now. So this was the introduction to this topic. So let me remove this from here now and bring out some examples. Okay, so we are going to evaluate each expression for x equals 3 and y equals -4 in the following: a -y, b we put b here, -3 open bracket y plus x squared close bracket. First of all, we'll be replacing x by 3 and y by -4 as given in the problem, and then we will evaluate the expression using the order of operations. To evaluate such expression, this means to find its numerical value once we know the value for the variables. As you can see, we were given the value for the variables here. So this is our solution. Solution to the first one. Okay, -y is equals to negative open bracket -4. Y minus -4, because this minus sign is for the y, but remember y is actually -4, so put that -4 inside there. Okay, and then that gives us +4 as a solution. So the opposite of -4 is simply 4. In this other example here, we're going to see solution, and so we have our problem. We will be substituting 3 for x and -4 for y. Okay, so the problem reads as follows: -3 open bracket y plus x squared close bracket. That will give us -3 open bracket y is -4 plus x is equals to 3 squared close bracket. This gives us now -3. By the order of operations, we have to work exponents first. So we have here 9 close bracket. We have to work brackets first in this case here. This gives us 5 now. And so we have -3 times +5, that gives us -15. So we can say that the -15 is the value of this algebraic expression when x equals 3 and y equals -4. That's how we work out this one here. As you can see, it wasn't difficult for evaluate an algebraic expression.